All right, let me help you get the most out of the scroll deck features inside of FundLaunch AI. So what you're looking at right now is the scroll deck. I've named mine Athena Fund 1. And by the way, my name is Bridger Pennington. I'm the co-founder of FundLaunch. Our whole team is here. Behind this wall is a group of developers. Like, we're all building this on platform. So what you're seeing right now may be updated in the future. We are pushing updates about every day or two right now. So what you're seeing though here is your scroll deck. It's a hybrid between a pitch deck and a website. So you can see here your executive summary, your terms. It'll give you some default values that we'll address in the fund build in a few minutes. But I want to show you how to get the most out of this. So obviously you can come and actually edit this live just by texting and typing in here. You can also come over and ask the agent. See how fund summary is highlighted here? I can say, hey, make this more in depth. And it will actually write a full section on my behalf with more context. Make this longer or shorter. You can come and toggle these things from open-ended to close-ended. You get the idea. Now, a few things you may not know. Up here, you can actually change the themes of the fund. So I can change this to space theme. Currently, there's 4 main themes. However, you can actually go generate your own themes. And if you notice my agent, while I was doing that, it restored to my previous version, which was much longer. You can see here, much more in depth. Awesome, okay? So you can actually edit things live, or I can do it myself. But I actually can go build my own theme. So if I click on this button here, this brings me to a new fund builder here for my deck, and I can describe a deck I want it to build. So you can give it any prompt you want. I've already preloaded 2 of them. They take about a minute or 2 to generate. So I actually did a Iron Man themed deck, okay? And this is, I haven't even looked at it. This is my first time seeing it for Empire Equity. So you can see it's Iron Man themed. I can also come and ask the agent to edit anything on the right here. So I can say, hey, change the colors to green and blue. That's probably a pretty big regenerate, but it's gonna go and regenerate and update those things for me. I can change sections. I can add slides. I can add cards. I can do an immense amount of changing in here. You can see it's already giving me custom decks based on my fund versus benchmarks. Here's another version I made. I made a much more, I think the prompt was something minimalistic, more like BlackRock Investment Group would use. So you can see this one much more minimalistic, something more, bespoke, I guess you can see here. Again, custom to your fund. Now, at the beginning, I said these are a hybrid between a pitch deck and a website. What you can do is actually come and hit publish. And this becomes a full working website. So here's the link. I actually can hit view deck, and ta-da, here is my working website of my fund. This is a link. I could send this to a potential investor or partner right now. Coming soon, we'll be able to add your own custom domains in here. And again, this is true for all of these deck types. Now I'm gonna go back. This is a live deck, so you can see published is right here. If I wanna make edits, I'm gonna hit unpublish, and then I can continue to edit my fund. Furthermore, I can hit download and download this into different PDFs or tear sheets if I'd like to as well. Now, inside of this scroll deck, I went back to my Fern theme. This is gonna be the data reflected throughout your fund. Now, as a little teaser to the other sections that I'll make videos on as well, when you update something here, if I change this from minimum investment to, let's call it 100,000, it auto updates across the entire platform. So when I go over to the fund builder, everything has synced to that change. And also when I go to the legal docs, legal canvas, these have also synced to those changes. Now, I'll do other videos in a second on those, but everything is cross-syncing at the same time. And if you notice, this popped up right here, 18 sections are out of date. By changing my minimum investment, it also changes the narrative fields inside of my fund. I made these longer. Again, I could say make this shorter, but I can also hit the button regenerate, and this will help regenerate and sync all of these. But if I'm doing a lot of edits, don't regenerate yet. Like, hey, I wanna make this, a 2.5% management fee. I want to make my fund size 50 million. Edit everything you want, and then once you're kind of feeling solidified, go and hit regenerate. Okay, that'll help go and actually build out your entire fund from there. Hopefully that's useful. If you ever get stuck, you can actually go work with, if you're in our pro tier, you actually can go talk to one of our one-on-one advisors. They're all right here. You can spend some of your credits and go meet with someone like Benjamin Ryder. Many of these advisors are actually active fund managers. Right now, you can book one-on-one calls with them. You can join their weekly office hours. These are live office hours every week. Here's mine. I go live on Zoom or on a Google Meets meeting. You can come ask any questions you want. We have service providers, events, etc. inside of the platform. If that doesn't work and you still need technical help, there's a little button in the bottom corner here. We have live agents Monday through Friday, or you can send a message and we'll respond when we're back in the office. We have 2 people live right now that can come and answer questions to you live right on here. All right, hopefully that's useful. I'll make some more videos for tutorials. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.